Okay, now we're going to calibrate the saw. When you first turn on the CorrectCut, the computer has a default value of 35 inches between the stop and the saw blade. We need to verify what it truly is. So using a trued end on a board and the stop locked in the preset position, we're going to hit settings and then preset, make a cut, measure that distance. For us it's 34 and 15/16. So we're going to adjust this by using the minus button to 34 and 15/16. Hit save. Now we need to calibrate the saw for a longer length. So we'll hit calibrate, follow the directions on the screen which say move the stop out to approximately 90 inches. We have 90 inches measured on this board. Take your time when doing this to ensure that all your other cuts are accurate. So once you're set, make that cut. Verify that it is indeed 90 inches, which we are exactly. Press calibrate, and then follow the directions to move the stop to the preset position. And hit this touch screen. Again, your preset value is shown. Now hit back, and we're going to check the offsets. For each saw, the offsets between your miter settings and your bevel settings will be different depending on the saw itself. So we're going to start with the miter setting, which is shown here with our stop in the preset position and locked. We're going to choose positive 45 degree miter. Positive 45 degree miter is with the saw head moving to the right. So with your wood against the stop, make a cut. Now measure to the short point of that cut. For us, that's 35 and 1/8. So we press miter and adjust to 35 and 1/8 is displayed on the touch screen. Hit save. Now we'll repeat that with a negative miter. Again, the stop does not move during this. It remains in its position. We just move the saw head to minus 45 degrees. Again, minus is with the head moving to the left of the operator. Make a cut. Now measure to the long point. For us, that is 34 and 1/4. So we're going to adjust this. Excuse me, 34 and 3/4 until it says 34 and 3/4. Hit save. And now we can repeat that again with the bevel cuts. The bevel cuts, the first one is a positive 45 degree bevel, so the head moving from left to right. We choose the bottom left icon. Set our board up. Make the cut. And now we measure from the square end to the long point, which is 34 and 11/16. So we adjust again and hit save. One last cut. This is the bevel going in the opposite direction. At negative 45 degrees. Forward against the back. And this time we're measuring to the short point. For us, that's 34 and 31/32. So choose the bevel icon, 34 and 31/32, hit save, and you have completed your calibration. Simply hit back and you are ready to make your cuts.